Rosie the Pink Engine. What? Do you to actually let me say Rosie the Pink Engine again? Hey, Rosie the Pink Engine. What? Will you just push up to 10 seconds? Hee. Just stop. Hey, Rosie the Pink Engine, do this. No. Stop. Hey, Rosie the Pink Engine. Where's the pink engine? Rosie the Pink Engine. 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 What? Devil Max. Huh? Oh no. Oh. Joey. Oh, that hurts. Try to warn me. Hey, Evie, the biggest triangle and rectangle of the whole history. Oh, God.